And it's all dank and manky and yucky. Hey there Slayers, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about how I clean my brushes and my beauty blenders. But before I get into that, if you really like this video, please give it a link down below. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. So basically there's a lot of ways you can clean your brushes to get all the muck and grime off your brushes or your beauty blender. Now there's beauty mats, there's different cleansing like liquids that you can buy. The mats, if you want to use them, that's fine. That's completely up to you. But if you're someone like me who likes to be on a budget and likes to do the same job but for cheap, this is how you do it. Okay? So I'm a one-woman crew, so I'm not going to be able to actually physically show you me washing the brush. But this is what I do. Okay? So you take your brush and you run it under a warm tap. Now, it's very important that you make sure this bit, the water doesn't go past this bit, because if it goes past this bit and travels down, it'll loosen the glue in the brush and the bristles will become loose and then they'll start falling out. Okay? So, you can use a clarifying shampoo like this one, or you can use any children's shampoo, baby shampoo, that's fine. You just squeeze a little dollop into your hand and you get your wet brush and you swirl it into your hand like this until it starts to lather and you can see all the muck and the grime coming off. Starts going up to your fingers or just leave it on your palm. Okay, it's very important that you're not too heavy with the brushing, going in circles like this so you don't damage the bristles. That's the last thing you want, really, to be honest. Okay, so once you've done that, obviously rinse your hand off, rinse the brush under the water. Make sure all the muck and grime's off. And then when it's all clear, when the water runs clear, you squeeze it very gently, like this. Okay? Now, the very other important thing about this, when these are drying, they've got to be left air dried. Okay? So you get a towel and you fold it in half and you make it so there's like a little lip, if that makes sense, to one end higher than the other. And you place it so this bit is on the lip, so it goes downwards. Again, for the reason that you don't want the water to travel upwards and loosen all that glue and make all the bristles fall out. Okay, now the beauty blender, this is a clean dry one that I haven't used yet. Okay, all I do, I wash this every single day after every use that I use it. All I do is damp it a little bit more, put a little bit of soap on my hands, lave it around until it's all nice and bubbly and lathery and you can see the dirt coming off. And then you rinse it under the warm tap to get it all off. Make sure the water runs clean. Give it a squeeze, nice squeeze like this. And then it's very important to let this air dry as well, because with it being a sponge, if it's in a dark, dank place, a moist place in your makeup bag, it's going to grow mold inside, and that's not what you want. And that is really not what you want, guys. Trust me, believe me, you don't want that. Okay, so people ask a lot of questions. How often should you clean your makeup utensils like this? It depends how much you use them. With the beauty blender, like I just said, it's every day after every use because it holds germs, and then after a couple of months, bin it, get a new one. Okay. With brushes, it depends how often you apply makeup. For example, say if you only apply makeup once a week, I would say probably once or twice a month they need cleaning. But if you use your brushes every single day, you need to make sure you're cleaning them at least once a week, if not more. I'd probably say twice a week, because all those colours that you've used are all going to build up and build up and build up, and then it's just going to make it all dank and manky, and you just want to make sure that your face doesn't get any germ. Okay, so that's that. The other important thing that I would like to mention is, if you're using a brush, say like a concealer brush, I haven't got one to hand right now, or a concealer brush, and it's all dank and manky and yucky, I would wash that probably more than once a week. I'd probably wash that after every use, or give it a wipe down. Okay. So another thing you can do with the brushes as well, you can swirl them on a piece of tissue after every use, just very lightly, get the excess dust off, and that'll help you as well. Okay then guys, that's all for today's video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye Slayers!